Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the EA app not launching or crashing on your Windows computer. First, we will clear the EA app cache. This fixes most launch problems. Start by right-clicking on the EA app shortcut on your desktop. From the menu, click on Open File Location. A folder will open where the EA app is installed. In this folder, look for a file called apprecovery.exe. Right-click on this file and choose Run as Administrator. A small EA window will appear. Click on Clear Cache and wait for the process to finish. Once it is done, close the window. Next, we will make sure the EA app always runs with administrator rights. Right-click on the EA app desktop icon and click on Properties. Open the Compatibility tab. Find the option that says Run this program as an administrator and check the box. Click Apply and then click OK. This helps prevent permission issues that can stop the app from opening. Now we will delete leftover EA files from your system. Press the Windows key and the R key on your keyboard at the same time. In the Run box, type %local app data % and press Enter. A folder will open. Look for a folder named Electronic Arts. Right-click on it and delete it. This folder only contains temporary files and will be created again automatically. Finally, restart your computer. After the restart, open the EA app normally and check if the problem is fixed. In most cases, the app should now launch without crashing. Thanks for watching.